Hi everyone, this is Kilo Charlie 2 Sierra Tango Hotel again. I was asked in a number of chats and messages about breaking the boards apart and doing some close-up views, and I figure the best way to do that right now is I'll do a quick video showing the I/O board, the main board, and then the 8-band board that I assembled. So here we have the I/O board. I'll bring it up here and give you a second to get a close-up of it. And what you can see underneath of the screen is there's two diodes and a cap, and then the header there. And the input. And then we'll kind of bring it up there so you can see the SMD components. I'll flip it over. You can see I took some headers and I broke them down. That way the pins were encased to prevent any kind of shorting. And then these are just standard headers, male header pins, nothing fancy about them. And then the standoffs are 10 millimeters. They should be 11, so I ended up using a 1 millimeter high washer to extend them up. So, and then that's the main board, guys. All right, now here's the main board. So it plugs in. As you can see, I have the headers up and they will mate to this board. So we'll bring this back up. And you can see I use standard height headers, nothing fancy there. They're just Adafruit headers. You can see the SMD layout. I can't zoom too close there, but I'll just bring it around and down. And then we'll flip. And again, now I used extra long headers on this board, and then I took a male header and pulled all the pins out, and then I slid it down, which then reinforced all these pins, and it also gave it a nice clean look, so when you snap the modules together there's no gaps. You can see the crystals in the diodes. I did add IC sockets to everything, being that it's experimental and I'm good at burning things up. I wanted to make it easy to replace. On the voltage regulator here, you'll see that for a heat sink I did add a small brass standoff just to give it a little more thermal capability. It's not going to be much, but a little extra metal there to keep it cool. So you can see we'll flip it back over, and then I'll reassemble it. And you can see we push it together, and then we got a nice clean fit there. It's all sealed up. And then here is the 8-band module. So we'll bring this up and let it focus. And all the components were as per the BOM. And again, I used some extended headers, and that's it.